1.3, question number 7. Find the, able to hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
thank
are
you.
audible, ma'am.
Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Find the additive inverse of the following rational numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sums are there. Additive inverse. Yes, multiplicative inverse, 4 are there. 2 we will do. 2 we will do. 1 and 2. Minus 12. 9. Minus 12. Very, very easy. The additive inverse means, we already told, just to change the sign of the given rational number. That is additive inverse. Plus 9. What is the additive inverse of that type now? You can type additive inverse of positive 9. Then what is the additive inverse of minus 12? Type both. Additive inverse. Because that day you only told me many answers when we did the examples. Multiplicative inverse. Then come multiplicative inverse. After additive inverse, this question is there. The answer minus 22. Okay. Additive inverse, yes. Good, Sheikh Ali. Additive inverse of the particular rational number is changing the sign of the thing. Plus 9, minus 9. The answer is minus 9. Yes, Sanjana, good. Minus 12, the additive inverse is plus 12. This is the answer. Additive inverse of plus 9 is minus 9. Minus 12 is plus 12. Additive inverse is just to change the sign of the given integers. Yes, Balaganga, Karthik Pandey, all good. Now, let us find the multiplicative inverse. This is about question number 7. A and B I completed. C, D for you. Symbol to change and write. Yes. Symbols only change, Harish. Yes. So, symbol to change and write. For example, homework sum 33 by 4. The answer is minus 33 by 4. Minus 13 by 7 plus 13 by 7. Just sign to change. That is additive inverse. Next, multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse for the following. Whenever multiplicative inverse is asked, the opposite of multiplication is, the reverse operation is division. So what we told, multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. That I told already while teaching. So now, multiplicative inverse of 11 by 15. What is the answer? 15 by 11. 15 by 11 is the answer. Numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Sign change should not do. Number will become reciprocal. That is multiplicative inverse. What is the inverse of minus 22? Nothing is there means 1 is there. That we already told. Okay. Minus 22 is there means that is minus 22 by 1. What is the reciprocal? 1 by minus 22. It is not simply the sign. It is 1 by. No need to change the sign, Caleb. It is multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse means changing the sign. Multiplicative inverse, no sign change, reciprocal of the number. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but reciprocal. Denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator. Reverse. Minus 22 by 1. 1 by minus 22. Like that it is. A, B I did. C, D homework. Now itself we'll ask the homework. Multiplicative inverse. See some. You tell me. Minus 5 by 3. You type the multiplicative inverse of this. This is homework sum. Minus 5 by 3. What is the multiplicative inverse? Yes, very good, Shekhali. 3 by minus 5. This will go up. This will come down. Minus 3 by minus 5 or minus 3 by 5. Anything you can say. The negative sign usually for a rational number will be taken up. Okay. Down bottom for the denominator, we never write negative. This is okay. This is correct. This is also correct. Minus of 3 by 5 or minus 3 by 5. That is also correct. So that is the multiplicative inverse, reciprocal. This sum is the homework sum CMD. I rounded and kept for that. So additive is by changing the sign. Multiplicative inverse is by the reciprocal. Next question. Page number 18 we are in. Question number 7 over. Question number 8 over. Now question number 9. You go through the textbook. It is there in the classroom. Later on in the evening, go through the textbook. What and all we have completed, you go through. In a box of marbles, 3 by 8 of the marbles are red. 2 by 5 of the marbles are blue. And the rest of the marbles are green in color. Of the red marbles, 2 by 9 are spotted. Spotted means dots are there on that. And find the fraction of the marbles that are, the question is, option A they have given in that. They are asking to find the fraction of the marbles which are green. And in B thing, they are asking red, but which are not spotted. So this is the thing. So in one box, there are three colors. Red color marbles are there. Blue color marbles are there. And the rest are green in color. So this is a box which contains red marble. Marble, small smooth stones. So red color marble, blue and green. They have given this red and blue. They have given. This is given. This is given. This is asked. So what we have to do? We have to do the totaling of this red and blue. And we have to subtract from the whole. Whole means one box. So we have to first do this totaling by adding. Then we are going to subtract from 1. Why 1? Because one box of marbles which contain everything. So from 1, when we subtract this, we will get this. We will get the green marbles. That is question number 1 which is asked. Question number 2, red color but not spotted. Red color, we are having red many marbles. In that, some are plain, some are spotted. Okay, they have given this. How much is it there? They have given. Of the red marbles, 2 by 9 are spotted. Like this, 2 by 9 are spotted. So from the total marble, this dot 1 we need to subtract. Then we will get the normal marble. Plain marbles, red, minus the spotted one. We have to do. Simple thing. If I am giving you 5 apples, total 5 red color apples, in that 2 apples are damaged. I am asking you to remove the damaged piece. How many damage, without damage, how many good apples are there? If I am asking, what will you do? In that 2 apples are some damage is there. In 5 apples, what will you do? 5 minus 2, 3 will say. Same thing only. Red marbles is there. Some are spotted. Red minus spotted, you will get the good one. Without any spots, you will get the good red marbles. That is asked. Question number B, red color which are not spotted. You go through the question later from your textbook. Textbooks are there in your mobile phone. Go through the question again later. We'll understand still more. Now, green color marbles. The question is about finding the green marbles. Question A. To find green marbles. To find the green marbles, first we must do the remaining marble to add. What are the other two colors? Red and blue. Number of red and blue marbles together. 3 by 8, 2 by 5. Number of red and blue marbles together. This is number of red marbles. This is number of blue marbles. Yes, correct. LCM only. So red and blue, first we have to find. We cannot do that directly. For that, we need to take the LCM. As usual, always LCM only first. LCM of these two numbers. Directly also you can multiply 8 5s are 40, or you can take like L method and can also do. Both you will get the same thing only. One is not a multiple of other. So you can do 8 5s are 40. First number 3 by 8 into second number 2 by 5 into. I want the denominator as a LCM. 40 here 5 3s are 15. First number. Second 8 5s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 2 8s are 16. 16 by 40. So these are the both things with the common denominator. Now adding numerator with the denominator. What is this? 6 plus 5 1 3 31 by 40. This is the thing, ration number of red and blue together. Okay. Now from one box we need to subtract. We should take the quantity as 1. Okay, total quantity 1. 1 minus red and blue. When we do, we will get the green. I want green. That is the question. To find green. Now I know red and blue. One box is having red and blue together. Red, blue together, this one. Remaining marbles only green. So 1 minus this, we will get green. So 31 by 40. Now I will do the subtraction. Now green marbles. For that, number of green. Now for that only is equal to 1 minus 31 by 40. This is red and blue together. So now for this LCM only 1 by 1. Okay, so 41s are 40, 40 minus 31 by 40. This is the simple thing. When 1 minus something means what to do, like this. 41s are 40, 40 minus 31 by common denominator 40. This is also LCM. Is equal to 40 minus 31 is 9, 9 by 40. This is the number of green marbles. This is the first question what we solved. First I did red and blue totaling. 1 minus red and blue will get you green. This is over. Question number B. Red color we want, and which is but not spotted. There should not be any damage in that. No spottings, no spot marks. No marks should be. Red but not spotted. For that, what to do? Red color marbles are given 3 by 8. Total red marbles. In that, the question is 2 by 9 are spotted. So, spotted one. So, when we do this, we will get which is not spotted. This is total number of red marbles minus spotted ones. So from the total spotted ones we will minus, means we will get the one which is not spotted. That's all. So red color total, we have this number, they have given. Red color marble minus the spotted one. Again LCM. Whenever addition or subtraction like this is there with the uneven denominator, LCM. 8 times are 72. 72 is the LCM. First number. Second number. Denominator, LCM. 3 nines are 27, 7 eights are 30, 8 nines are 72, 9 nines are 72, 2 eights are 60. So, denominator, LCM, denominator, LCM, numerator, same number. Now, subtraction. 27 minus 16, numerator, subtract with the common denominator. Okay? 7 minus 1, 6, 2 minus 1, 11 by 72. These are the number of marbles which are not spotted. Red color marble minus spotted one. When we do, we are taking the LCM, doing the subtraction and getting the marbles which are not spotted. So A was green marble, B one was this answer. Understood clearly? This is the question. Word problem will be like this only, ma. The last question of this chapter. This Jaspreet question is the last one. We have completed the first chapter, rational numbers. 3 exercises we completed. Since this is a word problem, again I am doing. 9th also word, 10th also word problem. Okay, I am reading the question. Jaspreet, Kiran and Lisa swim the laps in a community swimming pool. They take 2/3 of an hour, 5/6 of an hour, 4/5 of an hour respectively to complete one lap. Who takes the least time to complete the lap? Hint is given. First express the time in minutes taken by each of them to complete the lap. Okay. For this question, very easy. The first thing is 1 hour. 1 hour consists of how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay. 1 hour when we say 60 minutes. Now, time, there are 3 children. Jaspreet, Kiran and Lisa. They all do the swimming. The time taken by them to complete one lap is given. Means they are starting from one point. They are going and swimming and touching the other side. And they are returning back. This is considered like one lap. They go, they come back. So time taken by them to do that particular finishing thing is, by 3 children, they take different timings. Okay, one is Jaspreet, one is Lisa. Who is that? Kiran. Kiran, then Lisa. So these 3 children are there who do the swimming and complete in particular timings. They have given. Who takes the least time to complete? First, who came? Who took the least time? Easily, who finished? That is the question. Now, what is that? Time taken. First child. Time taken by Jaspreet. The Punjabi name, so it is like that. Time taken by Jaspreet. They have given in order. Jaspreet, Kiran and Lisa. They took 2/3 of an hour. Now Jaspreet took 2/3 of an hour. Of an hour means 1 hour. 2/3 of 1 hour. I want in minutes. So 2/3 of 1 hour. Okay. Cricketer is there. Okay. 2/3 of an hour means 2/3 of this. I want in minutes. Then only we can compare. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6 and 0. 2 20s are 40. 40 minutes. Now 40 minutes. Next. Time taken by Lisa. What they have given? 5/6 of an hour. 5/6 of an hour. So 5/6 of 1 hour. This is second child. 1 6 are 10 6 are. 5 10s are. Just we need to cancel. Okay, then do the multiplication of the numerator. 50 minutes. 5 10s are 50. So this is Jaspreet, this is Lisa. One more child is there. For her, I will give this place. Somewhat we will use this place. Okay. Lisa over. Now next is time taken by Kiran and Lisa. Sorry, this one Kiran. Second child name is Kiran. Okay, in a line only they have given. They have taken 2/3 of an hour. First child Jaspreet. Kiran is the second. 5/6 hour. Then third one is 4/5 of an hour. That is Lisa. Simply I am writing here Lisa. Time taken by Lisa. Like this it is. That is 4/5. Here I'll do 4/5 of an hour is equal to 12 5 4 12 48 minutes. So 3 children, they took like this timing. Who completed at the least time, ma? Who completed? Jaspreeta, Kirana, Lisa, ma? Taka taka, who finished? Now who is finishing taka taka in our class? Let me see. Yes. Jaspreet took good shakily. Jaspreet took 40 minutes. Kiran took 50 minutes. And this Lisa took 48 minutes to do. 40, 50, 48. 40 is least. So first was the one Jaspreet. So you have to write Jaspreet takes the least time. Jaspreet. No place here. Takes the least time. Like this you have to take and write after finishing the question. So that is the thing. Jaspreet Bumrah, I don't know. This Jaspreet, I know. So among these three, this was the one. Because this belongs swimming, ma. This category, what they have given. You are talking about cricket, no? Okay. This is the last sum of our rational numbers. Over. Chapter over. Then only review exercise is there. Review exercise always I will give here and there whenever we want. Sometimes in worksheet, sometimes assignment, sometimes class test, again revision. Like this, I will cover everything. Here, there. I will take out which and all sums I have already rounded. Last year and all we have taken. So that and all we will round and we'll take and we'll give for homework, review, assignment, worksheet, test. That and all we will take that review. But we won't be doing like exercise. We won't do that. That is for you to do. So I will cover in those things. Test, worksheet, revision, and in exam. That when is the cycle test and all, I don't know, ma. So this is about rational number. We completed. Are you thorough now? How was the chapter? We don't have book in our classroom. Okay. I have seen maths textbook somewhere, no? It has come, I think. Link, they gave link, no, ma? Yes, okay. They gave the link for textbooks, no? In that you present, see. What? Somebody is typing something. John Emil, you check the spelling. Check the spelling. Full mark in cycle test. Who got? Shekhali? You got full mark. Good. You will take. Very good. When they will give the book? No link came. I don't know, ma. Will give. In some classroom, I saw the link, no? 6th or 7th, I don't know. Okay. They didn't send the exercise content. I have sent, ma, 8th standard. Ma'am has posted, Kasturi. You go and check in the classroom. Everybody got the material. I gave the material for the first two exercises, I think. This also I will send. Last week full material we have sent. This also I will be sending. Let me first complete, then only material. Material means I have to write, no? First let me take in the board, then I will write, then only will be sending. Yes. After teaching only we'll get the material. Before teaching, why you need material? After teaching, you will get. Okay, so this one over. Oh, much time is there today? 12, 6, 4 minutes only. Okay, 4 minutes we will simply have a chat only. Any doubts in the chapter, you can ask. Finding sending. What is that, Caleb? Finding sending. 4 minutes is there. Yes, it is there. Okay. Any doubts means ask or simply, what are you doing nowadays? You say that. How are the other classes going on? Nice, huh? Next lesson, next chapter, Dhanumalia. Next chapter. Next chapter is powers and exponents. Very nice it will be. Powers and exponents, very easy. Interesting. It will be. All classes are going on nicely. Okay. You have drawing this year? Do you have drawing? I saw Caleb's drawing. Yes. Okay. On Tuesdays you have. Okay. Sir will be drawing and showing you and you will be copying. It's like that, no? Okay. Yeah. I like drawing. I draw drawing in holidays. They will draw step by step. Okay. Second chapter, powers and exponents. Shekhali, it's powers and exponents. Yesterday, India lost. I don't watch cricket, ma. I don't know. Sir will draw in class and we will draw. Okay. One day you show your drawings to me, okay? Last 5 minutes, whenever you are ready, you show your drawings to me. Keep your video on and show it to me. I love to see drawings. I like. Okay. Drawing is my favorite. Super. Yes. Okay. Whichever day we are free like this, any one day we will be finishing. No, you want to show now, Trinity? Yes, I am ready. We have time today. Yes. Keep your video on and show me what you drawed recently this year. Don't show old thing and all. Now this year, what you have drawn, either in holidays or in class, however it is, simply show. Let me see. Salvia Angeline, very nice it is. Super. Caleb, super. Super. Okay, ma. Very nice, Caleb. Trinity, red color. This Caleb, I have seen this drawing. The cup upon that book. I have seen that. Trinity, show nicely. Dhanumalia, super. Very nice. This you have drawn, Dhanumalia. Areva. John Emil. Very nice, John Emil. Nice with this. Okay. I like that. Dhanumalia drawing is superb it is. Fasil Ahmad, coloring and all you have given. You are showing the picture not straight, man. Fasil Ahmad, show it straight. Dushani, very good. Nice. Coloring is also nice. Trinity, yes. Trinity, I think after coloring it will look very beautiful. Yes, ma'am. It's good. I could see. Pencil shading only. Yes. Dushani, the another one is also nice. How to put a circle? Draw the apple itself. Shakily, it's okay. You learn. Dushani, that is also good. Caleb, very nice. Salvia Ainsley, very nice. Abba? Very good. John Mill, I have seen that. Dushani, another picture. That looks nice. Dhanu Malia, very good at drawing. You have done this? Afzal Raja. Chintan. Very good. Dhanu Malia's pictures are too good. I'm showing, I draw in school, ma'am. Okay, mostly I design and sketch dresses. Yes. Super. Dushani is drawing also very good. Dhanu Malia, super. Salvia Engine, good. Are coloring very nice. Afzal Raja, I have seen us. Afzal. Chintan, I have seen. Ma'am, I'm showing. I have seen. Dushani, yes. Dushani, different drawings. Very good.